my name's Andy Rayson. I work for the company called Agri Fresh Produce. Within the business, I look after for the BU UK projects and process improvement. So I look after all the capital expenditure and also look obviously improving where we can in the business, the actual process, and get more efficiency. Yeah, so predominantly in our business, our industry, we're very manual, from an efficiency point of view, it's very high labour intense. We've got raw material that comes in every day from all sorts of different parts of Europe, from Italy, France, Spain, and then in the summer season we go into the UK. Challenges of that is the raw material is different from one day to the next, and that creates, unfortunately, a very kind of difficult process in terms of being able to automate it. But ultimately we have to do that, and what we're looking for now is getting more stability on our labour pool. We're very seasonal, so in the summer we have anything from 100 to 150 extra staff coming as agents. We're looking for them to be working as fast as they can in what would ultimately be our most profitable period, and it's getting more and more difficult to get them people, so automation is key to levelling that off, reduce the amount of people required, and getting more automated where we don't have as much challenge in terms of human labour. So Leap Automation came along, so right early in the journey we were just literally looking what was out there. We wanted to kind of see what we can, what we can't do within the business, what SKUs we can do automated, what boxes, what crates, and Leap Automation had a conversation with me right in the early stages. We very quickly developed a good relationship, a trusting relationship in terms of I could see that they got a good strategy, they got some good equipment, and I thought we could work together to kind of go on that journey, and that's kind of where we got to, and that's why we chose Leap Automation to help us develop our automated strategy. So onboarding, so yeah, right at the beginning, we were looked after by Leap Automation in terms of kind of understanding what that would look like to implement one of these PikPaks that we put in. And right from the beginning, we had a very well structured approach. So we had the project execution plan, which was a very good document that kind of outlined what both parties were expecting, what we were going to do to deliver the project. Right through to the installation part of it, then the team followed that, helped us install it and get it into position, and then we had the guys getting it all set up and getting it commissioned to do what we wanted it to do. Once we got to that stage, then there was and I've said it before and I'll say it again, the implementation of the training was some of the best I've seen. I've done a lot of training over the years on different pieces of equipment, and the implementation that was done here was very, very good. It's another part of our industry that's very difficult, getting lower end paid operatives trained and trained to the level we want them to be at is difficult, and I did expect it to be a challenge with the kind of the new style of automation in terms of things that they've not seen before, but the way it was implemented, everybody, I think we all saw at the end after the installation that everybody was able to operate that machine without really much input from engineering or Leap Automation themselves, so it was very good. As the machine went in, we kind of stayed heavy on there ourselves to understand what it couldn't do. So it took a few weeks for us to iron out what the best SKUs were to put down the line to get the best out of it, and we very quickly did that. We did some tweaks as well, so working with Leap Automation, we probably put in 7 or 8 different style boxes and crates that was able to actually pack into. Once we did that, we very quickly then saw the benefit of it. So I was using one person to operate the PikPak, and they were able to get up to 50 bags per minute consistently on that line, and has been doing since we kind of finished that commission phase. And that benefits allowed us to remove one headcount out of the business, but also increase obviously the capacity of that line as well by another 25%. I think going forward, we've certainly identified the advantage to the business, and what we need to be doing now is expanding that. So the overall picture for us on a strategic point of view is to get 4 lines in, fully automated. Our next phase then is to go into palletisation and potentially AGV as well to take it off into the dispatch area. But it's a journey we're working on, and it's one that we're really interested in as quick as we can get into that fully automated 4 lines doing our biggest SKUs within the business. Leap Automation is without a doubt a great partner. From my first conversation with Ben on the phone right through to today has been a great relationship. Ben's a very easy guy to get on with, and Leap Automation very professional in their approach. Makes my life a lot easier, makes integration a lot easier. And just gives us that great feel. I've said it before, a lot of people do this automation in terms of do any machine that we purchase as a business. The difference is the people and the business themselves and the support structure, the infrastructure that they are when the kit's actually installed and up and running. And automation, Leap Automation are consistently showing time and time again that they are a great partner to be working with to help us develop in the future and get the automation in the factories that we need.